welcome once again to Drive In the Diecasts. Today we have got this beautiful Lancer. This is the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 4. This is the RS version. This had the steel pressed rims. There was a GSR version also of this car. This was produced in 1996 in Japan, and this had 276 bhp from the factory, and this was the RS version, so this was specifically meant for rally professionals and rallying sport. So this is the LV version, 186c, white colored one. And so this is the Japanese thingy, and this is the name of the car, the other Tomica Limited information on these sides. So let's open this up and take it out. Let's look at it closely. Beautiful, looks really interesting. Nothing extra to be glued on or anything. Really beautiful white colored casting. Looks really nice. The mirrors are already glued on. Lot of good detail in this casting again. One of the great things about Tomica Limited Vintage is that they give lot of details. Look at the headlight lenses. These were the dummy spots for the fog lights. From the factory it came like this. People used to replace the fog lights. If you look closely, the seats are two-toned. Inside you can see the blue seat area, seat cushions. Lot of great detail. Evolution 4 detail at the back also. Clear lenses, Mitsubishi logo. Had this wonderful splitter. You can see the blue cushions again at the back also. Steel pressed rims look really nice and genuine, period correct. Let's look at the bottom of the car. As usual, rubber tires, metal bottom, and colored chrome exhaust. So again, very well detailed car from Tomica. Lot of detail inside this. So keep on watching videos. More such unboxings coming up. Another great car from Mitsubishi. This was very popular in rallying. Lot of races were won using this car. One of the greatest of rallying days. Very famous. Tommy Mackinnon and others used to race in this car. So one of my favorite castings. Launched in March 2020 by Tomica. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. More such cars coming up soon. Have a nice day. Thank you.